Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Blizzard Girl here with another video just for you. Today we're going to be doing a try-on of my brand new teddyfresh hoodie that I scored from the July 2021 Care Bears drop. That's right, I got something from their newest Care Bears drop and I'm so excited. I've actually had my eye on this hoodie for a while, so I can't wait to share it with you guys today. So I got another sticker. Just like from my last video when I did my color block teddyfresh try-on haul, we got another sticker. That's right, we're growing the collection. Very exciting. All right, here it is. This is the brand new Care Bears hoodie that I got from teddyfresh. I got this darker version. There was a couple different versions. There's a lighter version and a darker version for this. I believe this is the Galaxy. Unboxing it right here for you guys. Ooh, yep, it's an X small, of course. Oh my God, this is beautiful. So yeah, it comes in this really good protective packaging. And if it doesn't fit, you can obviously like return it in that packaging. They always give you some little bit of a cushion. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Absolutely in love with this Galaxy Care Bears hoodie. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button and consider on pressing that subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!